Hello, my name is Neha Prabhu and today in this video I'll be sharing you a demo for the usage metrics report in Power BI. The usage metrics report allows us to monitor the Power BI usage in our organization. It shows us the users and groups which are most active in Power BI and also gives us real insight on how people are using Power BI in the organization. So starting from the left, we can see the total number of users, the total active users and total inactive users in Power BI. We can also see the total number of workspaces created on the service and total reports and total dashboards which were shared on the service. A workspace is a shared environment for a group of people. We can add multiple Power BI content on the workspace and share it with other people so that they can access or read your content. While a report is a multi-perspective view into the dataset with visuals that represents different findings and insights about the dataset. And a dashboard is a single page, often called as a canvas, that tells us the stories through different visuals. Next, we see the top 10 active users in Power BI with the total number of activities done by these users. Next shows us the activities done for each month, sharing us the total number of activities done in the month. The next visual shows us the inactive users with the latest activity date and the total number of days they were inactive. Next we see the workspace info for each workspace, the total number of reports and total dashboards which were shared for the workspaces. Next we see the workspace state, which are mainly three types. First is when the workspace is active. After deleting the workspace, the state changes to deleted while it is still present on the service end and can be retrieved. Once the state changes to removing, it is permanently removed from the service. Next we see the activities by report type, which are two types. First is the Power BI report, which is created on the Power BI desktop end. And next is a paginated report, which are designed to be printed or shared. So they are well formatted to fit on a single page. Next we see activities by distribution method, which are three types: workspace, shared and apps. A shared workspace is one where we can share the workspace with multiple users and they can share their content on the single workspace. While apps is a collection of dashboards and reports, and they are interactive and they do not necessarily need any Power BI Premium or Pro license. Next is the workspace type, which are three types: personal group, workspace and group. A personal group is a personal workspace each created for each user. Only that user has the access to its personal workspace, while a group is one shared with multiple users. Now we can see the top 10 page for the top 10 visuals. First we see the top 10 workspaces created. Next we see the top 10 reports shared on the service. Next we see the top 10 datasets used while making the reports. And lastly we see the top 10 activities done on the service. That's it from my end. Thank you.